It is Christmas Eve. Behind the glow of candlelight lies a dangerous secret. A home filled with laughter and warmth, yet one fragile lie threatens to shatter it all.
Now, who wants to see what Mama has brought?
Joy sparkles on the surface, but shadows creep silently in the corners. For years, Nora has carried a secret. Years ago, when Torvald's life hung by a thread, she borrowed money in desperation. But now, the man who holds her debt has returned, and with him,
Mrs.
the
Helmer,
threat of
I have
ruin.
not come to play games. If you do not persuade your husband to keep me at the bank, your shame will be laid bare for all to see.
From that moment, the laughter of Christmas fades, replaced with fear. The walls of the house tighten around her, and every smile hides a trembling heart. To her husband, Torvald, Nora is no equal, only a little songbird, a plaything, someone to adorn his home.
My little skylark mustn't flutter her pretty wings too much. Always the child, always my little lark.
Perhaps more than you think.
Trapped in a life where she must obey, not decide. Every word he speaks tightens the cage, yet inside, a quiet strength begins to stir. The masquerade comes, glittering lights, golden chandeliers, music swirling through the night. Nora dances the tarantella, dazzling and radiant, yet beneath the silk and sparkle, her heart pounds with terror, for she knows the truth can no longer be silenced. Each step is desperation, each turn a plea, a cry no one hears beneath the laughter, the masks, the music.
Deceit, lies. You've ruined me, Nora, ruined me. What kind of wife dares betray her husband so?
And the mask shatters. The letter arrives, and in firelight, Torvald learns the truth. In that moment of fury, something awakens in Nora. Not shame, but clarity.
All these years, it was never me you loved, only the image, the doll you wanted me to be.
For the first time, she sees the truth of her life. Not a wife, not a mother, not a doll, a human soul longing for freedom.
Learn who I am. Away from you, away from this house.
Calm, resolute. The doll's house crumbles, and a woman is born. And so, on a cold winter's night, one heavy door closes, its echo ringing through time. And beyond it, another life begins. The life of Nora Helmer.